Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the Five WiFi Wireless extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, take the Five WiFi Wireless extender out of the box. Plug the extender into a wall power outlet close to your router. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED light becomes stable. This means the extender has powered on and is ready for configuration. Go to your Wi-Fi router. Look for the WPS button. It is usually labeled WPS and may be located on the front, side, or back of the router. Press the WPS button once. After pressing the button, the WPS indicator light will start blinking, which means the router is ready to connect to new wireless devices. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the Five Wi-Fi extender. The WPS LED on the extender will start blinking. This blinking light indicates that the extender is trying to connect to your router automatically. Wait about 30 to 90 seconds while the extender communicates with the router. When the connection is successful, the WPS or signal LED becomes solid, stable. The extender copies your router's Wi-Fi settings automatically. Unplug the extender from the current outlet. Move it to a location between the router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Look for the extended network name. Usually it appears as your Wi-Fi name_ext. Select the network. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.